Hey guys, today we are unboxing a new set of Racewerk RS Inverted pedals. I've been waiting for these for a while now. So as soon as Attila at Racewerk told me that he was making some pedals, I said, Attila, make me a set of inverted pedals. And he said, I'm not sure if I want to do that yet. And then a couple days later, he's like, maybe in the future, I'll do that. And then after he got his first pedals out, he said, hey, I've been working on something. He sends me a picture of the most gorgeous set of inverted pedals I've ever seen. I said, Attila, I have to have that. So when the time was right, I ordered. And I waited my time through development and all that good stuff. But today's the day they're finally here. And we get to see them. After I figure out how to undo all this packaging here. The double box. Meanwhile, my dog is over here thinking that this is the biggest fast food order I've ever made. Alright. I don't even know which one to open first. We'll save the big one. Now let's get all the plastic off of here. Alright. Yeah, we'll save the big one for last. It's probably got the goodies in it. Alright. Let's assume this is the top. Very nice packaging. It's like glitter, and I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but Racewerk is actually engraved into this with the nice glitter on top. Alright, so this is, oh wow. So we've got lots of bushing sitting in here. I'm guessing this is the throttle pedal and or extra bushings and electronics. So this is just the extra box. It comes with .4 fluid. That's nice. More fancy glittered packaging. Holy crap, this is nice. So lots of just random, well, just blah. I don't want to lose any of it, so I'm just going to leave that in the bag because it's irrelevant. You guys have all seen packaging. Grip tape. I'm guessing it's just skateboard tape cut up the same size as the pedals. That's nice. A big one, I don't know what that's for. Oh, that's probably the whole throttle pedal. The brake, clutch. Who knows? But yeah, it's all that. So we're gonna look at this together, guys. So included in this, sent me a nice set of wrenches, it looks like. So that's cool. But yeah, how does that look? It's pretty impressive. That's a short travel. I'm sure this stuff's all pretty adjustable, but you really don't need that much movement. That is just, yeah. Look at all that laser edged. I mean, it's just a throttle pedal, so there's not really that much to it, but yeah, wow. It's pretty cool. if you've watched Boosted Media's review of these pedals, then you know of all this fancy stuff. The only thing that's really going to be different here is mine is the inverted kit. So you probably haven't seen any video on that yet. So that's why I decided to go ahead and make this. So we got one box out of the way. Like I said, I'm not really going to spend time on all the little things that come with it, because that stuff, if you will, at Boosted Media already did a fantastic video on these pedals. And yeah. So I'm just mainly going to spend time showing the big equipment, and plus any differences that you guys might have for differences that I noticed that are inverted specific. Hey, more packaging. Ah. Also, something that is not going to be in this video, when I ordered these pedals from Racewerk, Attila gave me everything, the exact specifications. All I did was copy and paste it to SimLab, and SimLab made me the 80/20 pieces that goes with this kit, so that we can hang them. So it's designed, obviously they're inverted, but all it was super easy. And I think it was like around $100 US. The stuff from SimLab, which will work on any 80/20 rig, but I have a P1X, so all I did was send Richard the information that Attila sent me, and the guys at SimLab sent me over an invoice and I paid. It was that easy. So this set of pedals, I don't think is listed on Racewerk's website yet. But soon. So I've been waiting a long time. Alright, so I'm guessing this is the brake. And I'm not going to adjust anything. I'm going to run it how Attila sent it. And then fine tune later. But yeah, so imagine this is mounted flat. That's how the brake sits. And get a close-up look here. Just, I mean, in terms of quality, you know, he's got the Racewerk logo there, you know, etched in, and just fantastic quality all around here. It's like there's a little bit of fluid in there. I'm not sure. I'm not going to open it right now in the dining room, but yeah, can't really too weak. These are just for show, you know. They don't actually, not really that strong. But yeah, so later when I get everything mounted, I'll do another quick little video of how the inverted stuff works or set up. But back in the bag, I'll open up the clutch. Sorry if you guys are looking for a quick video and I'm not making it quick enough. Knife. I don't need a knife, I guess. Wherever my knife went, it disappeared. There. Where'd my knife go? Seriously? Knife? Knife, anybody? Let me guess. Put it in the bag. Brilliant. Alright. So this has to be the clutch. Yeah. Yeah. so much packaging. I don't want to hurt anything. The finish on these is just fantastic. I still really put a lot of time into look. I mean, these things are, if they perform as well as they look, then these things are going to be pretty amazing. Another thing I forgot to point out when I was getting close here is, you guys see there's actually holes here. So the angle of the way the pedal sits, so when it's hanging here, you know, like that, there's actually an adjustment here to change how the face of the pedal sits. This arm, I mean, these are, you know, from the ground up built as an inverted kit. So I don't think you can get any better if you're trying to get inverted. I was inverted. So yeah, here's the clutch. I mean, just kind of showed all the other points on the other pedals, but just in terms of quality and just total, I mean, these are Tilton master cylinder. Yeah, everything just top notch. I'll get these mounted up. Probably take me a few days to really get these things dialed in how I want them, so it won't be an instant second video. I'm not doing any YouTube editing. I don't have any of those skills. I have a cell phone, a dining room. Hey, maybe I'd make a sim racing dining room. Just kidding. But yeah, so pedals came in. Super happy with how everything looks. We'll get them mounted to the rig to see how they actually perform. And yeah, cool. Thank you for watching the Sim Racing Dining Room. I'm your host, Barry Rowland. See you guys.